Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back again to the channel. My name is Amede Peculiar, and if this is the first time you see me, you are absolutely welcome. In this video I want to show you guys how I achieved these braids. Now these braids are old extension, as you can see. Also, I did not use any form of edge control. Also, my hair is natural hair. Also, I'm a self braider, and again these braids took me not less than 4 hours to complete. Okay, aside the imputing the pills and all those good stuff, but the actual braids didn't take time at all. I started by past 2, about 2:30, and before 6 o'clock I was done, you guys. So imagine, yes. So here I was just braiding in the most natural process. I had one of my videos, one of my shorts uploaded. Someone asked how I braid. Now this is how I just braid. I just braid normal, Bob Marley at the root, and then I go ahead to twist it. Also in this video I want to point out that I made a mistake. Now I didn't follow the hairstyle because I don't know what I was doing here, to be very honest. Like this weaving I was doing at my 2 sides of my ear, I don't understand why I did that shit, because it wasn't bad, but that was not the style. Okay, so I didn't remember the actual style. All I just knew was that, okay, yeah, there's a weaving at the center pattern. Okay, the center is divided into two and there's a weaving there, and that was just what I thought. And this braid I was doing at this my ear side, it's supposed to be kind of like at the back of the hair, not exactly at this ear level, but then it's not bad, it still came out well. Okay, but this was not just the hairstyle. It was after braiding that I got to realize I was actually just basically rushing on this hair, because when I started braiding was past 2, and I was like, oh my god, when will I finish making it hair? So I didn't even have the time to go back and check to be sure of what I was actually braiding, to be sure of the actual hairstyle I was, making. So that's just the problem for this hair. Then the fact that I didn't use edge control also, and that's because I wanted this hair to be in the most natural and the most protective form. Now this is the most protective hairstyle I have done. I've carried this hair for 3 weeks now, yes, and it's still serving me. And another reason why I did not use so much of edge control, I didn't even use edge control at all. I just used edge control for this center pattern, just to define my lines. Now the other reason why I didn't use edge control was because my hair was not so neat at the time of braiding, so I didn't want them to wash it, do all of those good stuff. I'm like, if I add edge control to this dirty hair, it's going to get worse, like the itching will be worse. So I'm like, I don't think we're about to do that. Okay, so that's why. And also seeing the fact that I also want something very much protective, so it's a win-win for me. Okay, so I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy watching the rest of the video. If you're finding this video helpful, or if you like the video in one way or the other, please like it by actually liking. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, please subscribe down below so you get updated whenever I come online, whenever I share any DIY hairstyle. And yep, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep watching.